The period of a pendulum. Past examination paper work out by Decroly Education Centre. Question. A. Describe an experiment to determine the period of a pendulum, given a metal bob, a string and a stop clock. Mention at least one precaution you would take. 6 marks. B. Explain how the motion performed by the metal bob is similar to wave motion. 1 mark. C. State the wave equation and use it to calculate the speed of a wave with wavelength 2 centimetres. If 10 complete waves pass through a certain point in 1 second. 3 marks. Solution. A. Given a metal bob, a string and a stop clock, this is how you would conduct an experiment to determine the period of a pendulum. A metal bob is suspended using a string and is fixed to a fixed point. Pull the bob to an angle and release it so that it swings. Record the time t of 23 oscillations or swings using a stopwatch. Using a stopwatch which is accurate up to 0.01 seconds, record the time t of 23 oscillations. The period t equals t over 20. Repeat this process several times, that is, 3 to 4 times, and calculate the average period. You should allow a few swings before you start counting the number of oscillations. B. The motion of the metal bob helps us to determine the frequency of the swing or oscillation. C. The wave speed equals wave frequency times wavelength. That is, the speed equals 10 times 0.02 equals 0.2 meters per second. Thanks for your attention. Kindly like and share our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell to be the first to receive the next learning video. You may also give us a comment to suggest what topic you would like us to cover. See you later.